Hi, I'm Kathy McGivern with my 3 ideas for inclusive teaching that focus on a strong start to a course. My first idea is to have students design and share the cover and first 3 items in the table of contents of their autobiography to share what they want others in the class to know about them. So I'll model this. This would be the cover of my autobiography. The title is Shania. Self-explanatory? Maybe not. I am a big Shania Twain fan and love music, but in the Ojibwa language, Shania means I'm on my way. And that's me, always going somewhere, whether to the kitchen to cook or on a trip. The illustration represents my love of nature. The first item in my table of contents is my number 1 babysitter was Lucky. You want to know what happened, right? Well, Lucky was the name of the Great Dane my parents had when I was born. The dog immediately stepped up as my bodyguard and babysitter. No one outside the immediate family dared come near, including my grandma. My love for dogs and all animals started early. Number 2, Greek or not. The D in my name on the cover stands for Dimitrakopoulos, a fine Greek name. Greek was my parents' first language, and I was raised with Greek culture. And then it all blew up when my older son revealed that through 23andMe, he learned that my side of the family was more Italian than Greek. So you see, this lets students know it's all right to share ethnicity. And the third chapter would be Rocky Start. My family had a lot of outdoor hobbies that included fishing and quarries. This eventually led to my geology degrees. Idea 2 is to play a get-to-know-you bingo with the class. And you'll see some extensions here. You can find online a bunch of sample bingo games and adapt as you see fit. My extensions are: students submit items about themselves after playing this sample general game. Okay, so items about themselves they'd like the class to know about them. And then the teacher compiles the items and designs 1 or more bingo games, depending on how many items are submitted, that the class would play on several different days during the first few weeks of class. And there could also be an extra credit quiz over how well students know their classmates. This would enhance class cohesiveness as well as relieve some tension over grades. Notice in the yellow font there that I just corrected the spelling of students. I would also read at this point related parts of the syllabus. And my idea 3 is to have students brainstorm ideas for a class conduct list. Thank you for listening.